Hi guys, coming to you live this lovely Friday. Bare naked today. I got my acupuncture appointment in a little bit and I'm super excited about it. I hope y'all are having a good day. Today I wanted to talk about increasing your average order value. Now that can be done with upsells, cross-sells, lifetime value of a customer. But some of the best hacks that we talk about in MommEcomm module when the end is, that we need to make upsells and increase our average order value. And that can be harder to do when you are selling high ticket products, right? So we're not drop shipping low ticket items from China, which are easier to do upsells because people will spend more. And people are buying $1,000 items, really expensive items. It can be harder to be like, oh, buy two. But there is still a way you can upsell. There's different methods. So I'm going to go over the methods first. I don't rehearse these lives. I don't have a pinpoint of what I'm supposed to be talking about. I'm hoping to do that soon. I'm hoping to actually partner up with an awesome friend and colleague of mine, Laurel Bloomfield from Dreamers, Makers, Doers, and start doing these lives together. But for now, today, I just want to focus on upsells. So, number one, you can upsell when they're going to their checkout cart and say, these are what people also bought. People who bought this also bought this. Are you interested? And sometimes that can deter people from purchasing. So I actually prefer that post upsell, which means it's after purchase. And then they get a one-click purchase option. You can do that with different Shopify apps. We use Shopify. You should all be using Shopify for your stores. And so I can give you if you just message me, I'll give you the apps that I use. So after they buy, they've already completed their purchase, so you haven't interrupted their purchasing process. And then after they buy, the window pops up and says, hey, you just bought this great e-bike. Would you like to buy a car bike rack at this % off, one-time offer upsell for your car? Or would you like to buy a helmet? Or would you like to buy biking shorts, So a big thing about high ticket items is they usually have a bunch of lower ticket items that you can add on to the upsell or cross-sell. And the cross-sell is kind of different. That's kind of also, recommended. People who bought this also bought this. Or one of the easiest things to upsell with high ticket items is, number one, a warranty, an extended warranty. I do have an app and a partner I use for this. I recommend it in the course. They are great. They provide the warranties. You make a healthy margin off selling them. So as soon as they buy their product, a page will pop up and says, would you like to also purchase the extended warranty? You can only get it now because you can't purchase it after the fact. You know what I mean? So a lot of times that'll increase your average order value. You'll make extra money on the purchase. And then another good upsell is expedited shipping. So you could do like $5, $10, whatever price you want to do for them to order expedited shipping. And what that does, you just put their order at the top of your list for priority. So if the person ordered expedited shipping, their order gets processed first. It doesn't actually mean that it gets shipped faster, because as dropshippers, we can't really control that, but we can control how we process the orders and say, okay, we're going to process this one faster. This person paid X amount of dollars for expedited shipping. So those are great upsells in high-ticket dropshipping and ways that you can increase your average order value. Another way to do upsells is through email marketing. So say your person bought a specific model of bike, and that model of bike has accessories, saddlebags that go on the back, or such and such, and so on and so forth. A special basket they can buy for the front, a special backrest. And so then you can email them and on their thank you for your purchase, and do a follow-up email that says, hey, I noticed you purchased this product. By the way, we have all these complementary products that are made to go with this bike. Would you like to buy them? That's another way to get upsells and increase your average order value. Let's see. I think those pretty much cover what I wanted to talk about today. But I hope that you are all implementing these strategies on every product, on every page, because even if you're just increasing your average order value by like $10, that adds up. That can add up monumentally to tens of thousands of dollars by the end of the year. You know, if every order you have and then add an extra $10, it can be such a big difference in your actual net profit, and it's 100% worth it. So please check out the lesson, the module on upsells, cross-sells. There are some apps in there that I recommend. I've actually going to update that as well because I found an even better one that I'm really excited about, and I want you all to be the most successful that you can be. All right, have a great Friday. Oh, my face still hurts from going to the dentist. It's like, and have a good weekend. I won't be doing any lives on the weekend, and I will get back to you guys on Monday.